Okay, wait a minute. Is that a jar? Yes. The name Cookie Jar. Well, I'm gonna fix it.
I threw the ball and it didn't count.
Okay. There. Huh? What's that? Guys, come here. You're going to. Okay. Well, we just saw a cookie jar logo. See right here. Oh. Now we can. What's this? Do not press this button, and the cookie jar logo will blow you up right now. Don't press what button? Whoa, stop. You're gonna blow the cookie jar logo. I'm gonna press it. Wait. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, no. I did. Alright, man. I didn't know. Why did you press the button when I told you not to? Wait, what's this? Wait, what's the noise? Okay, wait. Is the cookie jar blowing up? Yeah, it's about to blow up. It's about to blow. What was that? I don't know. Okay, what was that? It says, ow! Are you okay? I'm okay.